Hey class, I wanted to go over how to use the study guides. For each chapter, you will have a study guide to help guide you as you either follow the lecture or read the chapter. This is something new I've tried. I'm doing this semester, so we'll kind of see how it goes. But it is meant to help make sure that you are staying focused. It also will provide you with kind of a study guide when it comes to your test or exams to make sure you're familiar with the information. So even though your quizzes and your exams are open book, this will help ensure that you're familiar with the material before you go to take the quiz or the exam. I'm going to share my screen here and show you where to find the study guide. So bear with me. Okay, so if you go into, they're located in two places. So if you go into the assignments page here, you will see we'll open up Module 1, Chapter 1, because that will have our first study guide in it. And so it is right here where it says Chapter 1 Study Guide. They are based by chapter. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to a Word document that you'll have to open. And so you'll see that it's basically fill in the blank. It follows what I am discussing either in the lecture, so whether you are listening to the lecture or reading the text, it is going to follow that information because my lecture basically comes from the textbook. So whatever is an easier fit for you to follow. But this just ensures you see a lot of the key concepts and terms that we're talking about and just provides you with kind of a guide in what you're looking, what you're reading, what you need to focus on, that sort of thing. Now, your assignments, your discussions, your written assignments, those are going to take a lot of these concepts to a deeper level. They're going to have you apply them to yourself. So it's important that you understand the overall concepts and then you're able to better demonstrate how they apply to your life. So I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to show you one other place. So again, if you go to course resources, the chapter guides, study guides are right here at the very top. You can click on there and you can see all of the chapter study guides. Now, if you go into the study guides under the assignments tab, you're only going to be able to get into that module's assignments or that module study guide. Here you can open up any of them. If you want to. I only have up to chapter 8 right now because I am working on developing those as we go. I want to kind of see how they help you and see if we need to tweak anything. So please give me any feedback on that. Let me know if it's helpful, if you need more information, that sort of thing. If you get stuck on an answer, let me know because I do not have the answers posted anywhere. This may be part of your participation grade at the end of the semester on how many study guides you've completed and that sort of thing to kind of calculate into your participation grade. But hopefully you'll find that these are helpful and will help keep you focused. If you have any questions about it, let me know.